Arm line variations. Here we go. There's some different ones we can do.
Let's talk about some different ways to use your arms. Now, with the large rebounding cross-country ski, we did the long alternate arm reach. But a personal favourite of mine is taking the arms across the body in the transverse motion.
I love this. This would have to be one of my favourite ones. I love doing things where I create what I call cross turbulence. So legs are moving in the sagittal plane, arms are moving in the transverse plane. Head's still turning. See how the head's still turning?
It feels amazing. And it's a lot more challenging on my abdominals when I start adding that rotation. Again, the head went with the arms, but I was rebounding on my toes. Another arm action that you can use for the cross-country ski is the reverse stroke arm. So bringing the arms in. And this is for the big rebound one. Check it out.
Circling in. It actually helps you come up. See how the arms still sweep down? So I'm still circling in, I'm still sweeping down. The arms go right back, so as far back as you
Now,
can.
some things changed there. I wasn't rotating because my arms are not going to allow me to do that. But my fingers are open, and that arm movement actually helps me with lifting up off the bottom of the pool. So it feels fantastic to do.
Now, I'm going to just go a little bit, explain a little bit about how you go ahead and demonstrate that. But clearly, you actually always start with the feet. I always start with the feet. All right, everyone, cross-country ski, you're bouncing off the toes. Now, I want your arms to circle in. So cross-country, circle in. Now, watch how I go up and down. I go up and down because I still want them to understand that they need to rebound. So there was a couple of different ones. I had one where the arms went across the body. I had ones where the arms circled in. Both of them assist with creating the rebound.